Hello, and welcome to CAD, Introduction to Sketches and Parts using Onshape. This is a Level 1 CAD workshop as part of the CAD Skill Building Workshop series created by the Integrated Teaching and Learning Program at CU Boulder. I'm Mo, and I'll be your workshop guide today as we build a CAD mindset through hands-on activities which lay the groundwork for developing proficiency with any 3D modeling software. Let's get started. CAD is, well, an acronym, obviously, and that acronym stands for something rather non-descriptive: Computer-Aided Design. Now, computer-aided design could mean a lot of things. You can have CAD that helps you create circuit boards, or that helps you debug software. Even Microsoft Paint could be considered a design tool for creating collages of cats with hats. But today we'll be covering mechanical CAD, which facilitates the design of products based on their shape and mechanical interactivity. Before we get started, a few housekeeping notes. First, this workshop is a Level 1 or Intro workshop, intended to start us off at a walking pace, setting us up to run by the time we're done. Next, a reminder that several learning resources, including this slide deck that we'll use to teach this workshop, are available to you at any time on the ITLP website. If you decide to follow along with the slides, please note that the slides are best viewed in present mode, since we'll be using some animations. Finally, why are you here? Our workshop goals include building a CAD mindset, familiarizing yourself with the vocabulary used when using CAD, and how to bring your CAD models to life with compatible manufacturing equipment in the ITL laboratory and beyond. Let's be sure that you have everything you need for this workshop. First things first, we'll be using a free web-based CAD application called Onshape. I've got a lot to say about Onshape in a bit, but for now, get signed up so that we can use this tool together. Next, a laptop. Any laptop will do. Even the simplest Chromebook will suffice. Just make sure that you have a decent Wi-Fi connection. And finally, a mouse. If you're using a laptop, find an optical mouse. Just do yourself a favor. A trackpad will work, but it's a pain, and honestly, I'd like to avoid giving you carpal tunnel. Now that our introduction is out of the way, our next module will focus on building a CAD mindset by having a short discussion of how to think through a problem using CAD.